Good morning, music friends. So good to see you. So happy you can join me today. By the way, grab your homemade shaker and be ready to play. I've got mine right here, and I put some different stuff in it today. I put some little pasta pieces. Take a look. These cool little curly pasta. Gives it a little bit different sound. Little deeper sound today on the shaker. So have that ready so we can sing, and let's have our instruments. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Hello, hello, hello. I'm very glad to say hello, hello, hello. It's music time today. Do it again. Ready? 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. I'm very glad to say hello, hello, hello. It's music time today. Hello, boys and girls. Ready? Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's make music. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my friends. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's make music. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my friends. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. So good to see you today. Welcome, music friends. By the way, what's the name of the instrument that Mr. Benson was playing to you this morning? Can anyone tell me what this is called? It has a double reed. It has lots of keys and holes. It is called the oboe, and it is a member of the woodwind family. However, this is not an instrument that we normally start with in 6th grade band. Since oboe is more challenging than many other woodwinds, most oboists start by playing flute, clarinet, or saxophone for a year or two, and then if they're really, really good at it, they could switch to the oboe. Oboe is a more difficult instrument to play, therefore not usually played as a beginning band instrument in 6th grade. So it's something to keep an eye on. It's something to think about down the road, but you should play something else for a year or two before you attempt the oboe. So that's the oboe. Okay, next, it's time for our mystery melody. So today, I want you to see if you can guess the mystery melody. We've got a special guest here. My son Samuel and I will be playing this mystery melody on the piano. So here it is. Do you know what it is? If you have a guess, keep it in your mind. We'll talk about it a little bit later. I will give you the answer later in the lesson. Okay, fourth grade friends, let's learn some piano notes with Nina Ballerina. The first one we have is the letter C. Now C on the keyboard is right here, just to the left of the two black keys. So that is the letter C on the music staff, on the treble clef. Next note we have is letter D. Let's find D on the keyboard. There it is, letter D, as written in the treble clef staff. Here is E. This is letter E. Let's find it here. It's to the right of the two black keys. I'm playing it with three tall man. This is letter E. Next one. This is letter F. It's down here to the left of the three black keys, and we'll play it with 4 ring man. Letter F. And then we have letter G. This is G in the treble clef staff, and it's played with 5 pinky right here. That's letter G. Now, last note today is a new one. Take a look. We're in bass clef, and we're quite a ways down. This is the second space on the bass clef staff. This is letter C. Now, I'll show you where it is on the keyboard. Letter C. Here's middle C. That's too high. It's the next C below that. So we go all the way down here, find 2 black keys and the one to the left. It is played with left hand pinky. So it sounds like this. That's a C. It's called bass clef C. I'll play it again. Okay, and we will have that in our music today. So this is a good time to go ahead and pause the video. If you need to go get your piano keys practice sheet, now is the time to do that. Or if you have a keyboard or piano, go ahead and be seated in front of that, ready to go. Let's review our finger numbers. First we have, just repeat after me, we'll do that. Here we go. 1 thumbkin, 2 pointer, 3 tall man, 4 ring man, 5 pinky. Very good. Okay, now remember that those fingers are gently curved. Protect the bubble underneath. Let's show and explain some of these symbols. So we've got the treble clef or the G clef, and that's the right hand. We also have the bass clef or the F clef, and that's the left hand. You notice that the left hand isn't playing very much. There's a lot of rests there, whole rests, where the left hand should be playing. Oh, but there it is playing, and you see that. That's the C right there. So we will be using finger 5 to play that bass clef C. So the left hand has to be in position, but just waiting through most of the piece until the last 4 measures. Okay, now let's talk about that time signature. You see the 3-4. 3-4 time signature means, well, the 3 means there are 3 beats in a measure, and the 4 means the quarter note gets 1 beat. Then we see mezzo forte. Mezzo forte means moderately loud. So it's not quite as loud as forte, but just a little bit less. We also see the keyboard map. And here's where you see where the hands should be on the keyboard. There's that left hand, 5 pinky on the C. See the number 5. It's going to play that. It's going to look like this when you're all set on the keyboard. There's that C, okay? And then with the other hand, you'll be using all 5 notes. All 5 fingers will be playing today. C with thumbkin, D with tall man, D with pointer, E with tall man, F with ring man, and G with the pinky. So that looks like this on the keyboard. Go ahead and position your hand that way too. Or if you're on the practice sheet, you're going to have those fingers right there. See that? Okay. And then on the practice sheet, your C is right here. It's the bottom note. It's the bottom note. Put the pinky right there. All right. We're ready to begin our piano lesson. So let's do the first step, which is counting and clapping. We are going to count and clap. I'll point to the notes while you clap them, and as I put my finger down, that's the instant that you clap. Ready? I'll count to 3 to begin, since we're in 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Music friends, I wanted to tell you about some of these note values as well, and rests. We got quarter notes. We have dotted half notes. And then we have, what are these called? That's right, whole rests. Whole rests are usually 4 beats of silence. Wait a minute. How does that make sense, Mr. Benson? We're in 3/4. Each measure is only 3 beats. Well, in music, composers can either put a whole rest or a dotted half rest into a 3/4 measure. Both of them work. It's just something that they've always done in music. So you can put a whole rest in 3/4 and it means 3. Usually it means 4, and we've talked about this. But in 3/4, when you see the whole rest and it's completing the measure, like these are, it actually means 3 beats. It's just saying that the whole measure is resting with the left hand. See that? So it's just one of those little strange things in music, and I wanted to show you that today. So now, I want you to point to the notes and rests as we play them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you would repeat it, but for time I need to go on. Okay, now let's go on to step 3. This is finger numbers while playing them in the air. So, here we go. Have your hands ready. Remember, left hand on the bass, all 5 fingers down, but we're only using the pinky on the C. Okay, so have that ready to go. And then have your right hand also ready to go. All 5 fingers we'll be using today. Here we go. Let's do them in the air first though. So lift up your fingers in the air. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Sorry, I'm thinking counting. Let's do finger numbers. Ready? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. 1, 5. Okay, and repeat that. Ready, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. 1, 5. Okay? Now, let's actually play them. So, hands in position. Here we go. I'll sing it too. I'll do my best. That low C is pretty low for my voice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. There you go. Very nice. Now, step 5. Let's play and say the note names. So it starts with C. Ready? 1, 2, 3. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, 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 D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, 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 C. And music friends, you've just completed another unit of piano. Excellent job. Okay, music friends, so now it's time to identify today's mystery melody. What was your guess? If you guessed Puff the Magic Dragon, you are correct. Let me sing the words to you. And this is a good time to grab your homemade shaker if you have it. So pause the video, grab it, or you can clap. I'm gonna teach you a little rhythmic motive to go with it. It goes like this. Puff the Magic Dragon. Again, with our shaker, same thing, ready and go. Puff the Magic Dragon. Okay? Now here's the whole chorus of the song. I'll teach you the words. It goes like this. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. And there you have it. Music friends, what did we do today? Well, we warmed up our voices. We identified the oboe, which is a double reed instrument. It is a member of the woodwind family because it has holes and keys and it's played with a reed. We heard a mystery melody on the piano. We identified some piano notes. And we were musicians by playing piano in the air, on the sheet, or on the keyboard itself. And we discovered the mystery melody today, which is Puff the Magic Dragon. And we played the opening rhythm of that. Music friends, it was so nice to have you today. Stay safe, keep washing those hands, be good to your parents. Music friends, I miss you all. Keep watching these videos. We'll see you next time. In the meantime, goodbye everybody. Yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Let's make music, yes indeed, yes indeed, my friends. Goodbye, boys and girls. We'll see you next time. Bye, music friends.